Now coming on to rotation gesture recognizer, let's do a rotation gesture 2 on this same image view. Rotation gesture, UI rotation gesture recognizer, self, and selector, let's say handle rotation. Just add this to your image view, rotation gesture, and finally we need to define the function, the selector function, to handle rotations. Okay, handle rotation recognizer, UI rotation gesture recognizer, got let view equals to recognizer dot view, else make a return. Okay, view dot transform cg affine rotate view dot transform. We need an angle, recognizer dot, I think yeah, the rotation part, recognizer, and then again resetting rotation angle to 0. What does these recognizer dot scale and recognizer dot rotation means that whenever we apply a gesture, so as soon as we end that gesture we need to just reset the gesture initial values so that doesn't make any kind of blunder in the code. Okay, so here now we can rotate it. Just hold the alt key and just uh, rotate your fingers. See, we can rotate the image, we can pinch zoom the image, and we can tap the image as well. See, image tapped. We can tap the image, we can pinch zoom, we can make a rotation. Perfect. Now only the translation part is left, so let's do that translation part too. Let pan gesture UI pan gesture recognizer target self, selector is handle pan, and we just need to add this gesture recognizer to our image view pan gesture. Perfect. I'm going to define the function to handle the pen gesture. Recognizer UI pan gesture recognizer. So far so good. Okay, we have to take a translation point here. So let's translation equal to recognizer or translation in view self dot view. Grab the translation xy. Now got let view equals to recognizer dot view, else return view dot center equals to cg point view dot center dot x plus translation dot x, and view dot center dot y plus translation dot y. Okay, so far so good. Now view dot recognizer, or the pan gesture recognizer object, set translation to the point cg point 0, cg point cg point 0 self dot view, p capital. Yeah, now just run the project and see handle pan is working or not. Okay, Yeah, so I can also change the translation from one place to another of this image view. So we have four gestures now on this particular image view. One is the tap, other is the translation, other is the pan zoom, sorry, pinch zoom, and last is the rotation. We can rotate. It's very hard to rotate on simulator though. Yeah, so we have the rotate gesture. See, here we go. We can rotate the image, the zoom in zoom out part, the tap part, and finally the translation part. Okay, so we have covered these four, and I will be covering the swipe long gesture and the pin zoom with the scroll view in our next video series. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, any improvements, please do comment and tell me. Thank you so much.